Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not working or not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this issue, right click on your Google Chrome shortcut, then click on Open File Location. In file location, you will find the first folder is the version number. Here, just open this folder. And here, you will find a file name chrome.tll. This is the application extension file. You just need to delete this file. Right click on it and click on delete button to delete the file. The file is deleting. Okay, the chrome.dll file has been deleted. Now close File Explorer. In search, type CMD. Now right click on command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Command prompt has been opened. I'm going to enlarge the font of command prompt. Right click on address bar and click on Properties. Click on Font tab. And I'm going to select 24 size and click on OK. Now in command prompt, type netsh winsock reset. netsh winsock reset. Now hit enter. Successfully reset winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, now close command prompt. Restart your computer. Click on Start menu. Click on power icon. And then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved. Now I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is working properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.